Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys what 373,000 can get you in Collin County. We're about 28 minutes, 30 minutes from Frisco, Texas. We're about maybe 25 minutes from Plano and about 10 minutes from McKinney. This city is called Anna, Texas. And basically, it's not that known because everyone just talks about Frisco, but this is one of the outskirts of Frisco. I want to show you guys what this home looks like. 373,000. I want to talk to you guys about the numbers. I want to show you guys the full tour. So stay with me and we'll get to it. So also, as always, I like to start you guys from the front of the home and give you guys an idea of what the neighborhood looks like. So this is gonna be the exterior. And guys, if you wanna watch this video on ×2 speed, you can click on settings and then it's gonna give you the option to do that. So, all right, this is gonna be the exterior. It's gonna be close to 3,000 square feet, it's 2,960. This floor plan would be ready in a couple months. Obviously, this is a sold product, but it comes with high ceilings, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a really nice game room, nice size covered patio. And as you guys can see, some homes are still under construction that way. Some homes are still under construction, and then this is pretty much the completed side. But guys, right now I just finished showing these homes, and this floor plan was priced at 373 out the door as pretty much as of January 31st. So if you guys call me in a couple months later, obviously prices are subject to change, but this is pretty much what the market looks like as of now. So this is gonna be the first bedroom. This is gonna be a good sized bedroom. Could be a good sized guest room or a office, right? So you would have 2 bedrooms down, two bedrooms up. This is gonna be the laundry room, really good sized laundry room. And this is gonna be the guest bathroom, which would be one of your 3 bathrooms. And guys, let me tell you guys, before I show you that, to our left, we're gonna have the 2-car garage, pretty good sized car garage. And then to our right, we're gonna have some more storage space underneath the staircase. Really good use of storage. Check it out. Beautiful high ceilings. Big island, you guys. This is gonna be an 8-foot long island. And as you guys can see, it is a lot of countertop space. I really like it that you actually get a lot more space in that area too, which could be like a nice coffee bar. But you guys, this is pretty much what it looks like. That would be your dining room, your dining section. This would be the main living section. And just to give you guys, these are about 18 feet high ceilings, so they are pretty tall. It's also gonna come in with your gas fireplace as well. Really nice fireplace. This is another view. Right now, we don't really have that many lights on the game room or the living or dining room. It's mostly in the kitchen. Most of it comes from the natural light that you get in this home. So really nice. I love the open railing. And guys, on this floor plan, what you see is what you get. So you're not having to add on extra upgrades. If you're a seasoned buyer and you probably looked into semi-custom or custom, you know what I'm talking about. These are spec homes, so they pretty much come as is. So this is gonna be the nice size covered patio. It pretty much wraps around. And as you guys can see, that's gonna be the backyard space. These are gonna be the standard size lots, so not too bad in my opinion. All right, so we're gonna go in. Let me show you guys a little bit more of the kitchen. Based on the promotions, they might give you guys the washer, dryer, and fridge package. Like this person that's closing on this property is gonna receive the washer, dryer, and fridge. It always depends on the promotions, in the builder's promotions. It's gonna be the pantry. This is gonna be another view of what it looks like. Guys, before you guys go comment, hey, the home is dirty, these ones are still under construction. They're not fully finished. This product usually gets sold immediately as soon as it finished. So it's really, really hard for us to record a completed product. Like this product right now, it's already sold, but the builder's building this same exact floor plan for May of 2026. So if you were to close May of 2026, your first monthly payment wouldn't be until July 1st. Right now, they have some really good promotions. Okay, and this is gonna be the primary bedroom. So I wanna just show you guys how big it actually is. You can fit a nice king size bedroom there. All right, just kind of what I was saying. Basically with this, they pretty much are covering closing costs. My clients rent some, as first time buyers, they rent some monthly payments for something like this. For a monthly payment could come out to around $29.60 a month. That's using the FHA loan, and that's coming out of pocket around $14,000. So such a good option. I have a lot of you guys that are closer to Frisco or Plano paying close to $2,500 for a 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom apartment. And this would be almost 2 or 3 times the size and not be so much on top of what you guys are already paying. So as you guys see, this is the beautiful closet. I love how many shelves and how many rails you get to hold your clothes. Really, really nice. This is gonna be the toilet area, 2 beautiful sinks here. And we also get the tub. For this price point to be right at $373, it's really, really hard to find properties that would come with the shower and the tub. This builder actually gives you that. So I'm really happy about that. All right, so we're gonna be checking upstairs. That's pretty much all downstairs. We're gonna go upstairs. All right, so yes, just like I said, all right, sorry about that. Just like I was saying, pretty much your down payment could be close to $14,000 and your out of pocket pretty much be around there because they do cover closing costs, especially if you're a first time buyer. This beautiful area is gonna be the game room. Really nice size game room, a lot of windows. And then you still have the open railing. So too, if your wife is down there, you can be like, wifey, I'm hungry, bring me some snacks while you watch your sports or a show. Or it can be the other way around, right? If your husband's down there, tell him to bring snacks. But this is a beautiful game room. Let me know what you guys think. A lot of people love the high ceilings. A lot of people hate them. Let me know what y'all think. I've seen videos online where people don't like them, and I've seen videos where they do like them. So let me know in the comments. All right. So this is going to be one of the bathrooms upstairs. So bathrooms, you would have 2 downstairs and 1 upstairs. So this is going to be one of them. Pretty standard size bathrooms. And then to our right, we're going to have bedroom number 3. Really good size. And this is just a view of the exterior neighborhood. So nice new construction neighborhood. This neighborhood is actually gonna have walk-in shelves. So check it out, this big closet for a 3rd bedroom is a really good size. Yeah, just like I was saying, this neighborhood is gonna have pools, playgrounds, walking trails, all that good stuff as well. So you're gonna have the attic space. That door still needs to be painted. Some more little closet space, and this is gonna be the final bedroom, which is bedroom number 4. A really good sized bedroom as well. Can't complain about the size. One of my favorite things about it is this little closet here. This little closet with the little window here, which I'm a big fan of. But pretty much that's what this floor plan looks like. There is a couple more floor plans that are priced under this amount. So it just really depends if you're going to be closer to Frisco. If you want to be closer to Frisco, but don't want to spend the Frisco money, you can always move 30 minutes outside of Frisco and get something beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And guys, just like I said, it's still under construction. They're touching it up. But you could get something beautiful just like this. All you guys have to do is just reach out to the expert. I usually find these off-market deals before they actually hit the market. most of these are not going to be done until 3 to 4 months from now. So it's always good to reach out ahead of time. Let me show you guys your options, and from there you can decide which one you want to purchase. Thank you guys for your time, and I'll see you guys on the next one.